Okay, so moving on with chapter 9, chi-square distribution, I have one more example of the contingency table. So just like the SAT score versus the prep that you did, this is on the contingency table where I'll look for if there's a relationship or not a relationship. Okay, this time we're looking at passing high school. So up top we have male, female, so we're looking at gender. And we have pass, fail. So like we did before, the null and alternate is the first thing on your first step to doing the hypothesis test. There's no association with gender and passing high school. There is an association with gender and passing high school. Okay, so one's saying that it doesn't matter if you're male or female, pass, fail is at the same rate. The other one's saying that there is a relationship. Males or females are passing and failing at different rates. We have 99% confident. So after you have your null and alternate, 99% confident means that our alpha level is 0.01. Okay, so just like before, I'm going to go to my calculator now and find our p-value. So follow the steps again that I'm going through to find the p-value. Here's our calculator. I'm going to move this to the side. I need my table here. So I'm going to move that up high. Okay, so I'm going to second matrix. Going over to edit. No matter, even though it's already a 3x3, that doesn't matter. I'm just going to type over that anyway. So I'm going to go over to edit. And here's a 3x3. So I'm going to have 2, enter, 2, enter. And now my matrix is the right size. And I'm going to plug in my values. 109, 118, 34, and 29. Okay, so there is my matrix. Okay, making sure they're all typed in correctly. Second, quit. Stat. Go over to tests. And I'm going down to my chi-square test. Okay, so you'd have to go down pretty far. There's my chi-square test. And I know I also have one chi-square GOF. Don't worry about that one. I'm not concerned about that. I just need my x-squared test. Hit enter. Matrix A, matrix B. We need to have those typed in. So we have matrix A in the observed. Go down to calculate. And 0.403, the p-value is an important value we're getting here. So that's going to be our p-value. Let me go back to the example. So we had our alpha low of 0.01. Now we have our p-value of 0.403. The rules are the same. Our p-value is greater than our alpha level, so we will fail to reject. Since the p-value is greater than our alpha level, we would fail to reject. So that means there is no association between gender and passing high school. And again, that first line there is no association between gender and passing high school. That's just me copying down my null statement. Okay, so I'm copying down exactly what it says there. And I'm just explaining it a little bit. Boys and girls are the same. Okay, they're passing and failing at the same rate. So that's what we'd be looking at for that. Okay, so there's just another example. Hopefully you got the calculator function down. Now give the practice problems a try.